Come and check out how Frankenstories is making class preparation easier. Let's go to Discover. The Discover page has been laid out with a few sections. So this is the featured prompts. We can go to Popular and also to Categories, and then check out Public Publishers, and you can add to that yourself if you like. Let's say you're teaching a particular topic. We'll go to Categories and say we're looking at persuasive. What you can do here is you can play a Frankenstories prompt and also get the Frankenstories slides that go with that prompt to teach the skill before you play the game. I'll show you what I mean. What you want to look for is this little projector icon here. There's plenty of prompts that have this on each topic, but I'll click into this Persuasive Basics. So here's a range of different persuasive techniques. Now I'll show you this prompt as an example, persuading through character. Any prompt that has that projector icon will have a teacher resource, and that means teacher slides. I could start by just hosting this game and I could play it with my class, but why don't I check out the slides first? Clicking that button will take you directly to the slide pack, which you can download and amend as you like. But what it does is it takes you through an entire lesson teaching the students about that exact technique for that particular prompt of Frankenstories. So you can go through this slide deck, teach the concept, and then go back to Frankenstories and host the game. You can do this for persuasive topics, or you can do it for narrative, or any other topic which has the projector icon available. Here I'll show you the same thing in narrative. I can go to this collection here, which has a range of descriptive detail prompts. If I click this one, for example, here's the teacher resource. And one more thing I'll show you is the Write Like page. So Write Like is our complementary resource. It's a mentor text modeling site. It has a whole range of self-paced writing activities which the students can use to improve their writing, and in this case, this particular Write Like activity will relate directly to this prompt. There you are. There's a few ways that Frankenstories is helping you in the classroom.